Today we're going to be painting a depiction of an issue of our local newspaper, the Richwood Gazette.
You can find our town logo in the left-hand corner, featuring the bell tower from the Opera House, as well as a harness racer and a fisherman.
The Gazette was first published in 1872 by Vaughan and Nicholson, and in their words, it was a local family newspaper devoted to news, literature, and the interests of the people.
Pictured here is a 100-year anniversary issue from 1972, and on the corner of Bomford and Franklin, you can see the building they operated out of for many years, after its humble beginnings in a historical building located where the modern bank drive-thru stands today. Growing up, if you or your sports team was even briefly mentioned, our moms would clip the article and hang it up with so much pride you would think it was Sports Illustrated. Before the invention of the smartphone and televisions, the Gazette was the main news source for Richwood residents, and it would remain that way for over half a century. The fact that we have an archive of over 150 years, recording every piece of significant history in our village, is one more reason to take pride in our local history. Comment down below a time you were featured in the Gazette. Have a blessed day as always, and don't call the bad guys.
Call good boy.